Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the hoop and trimming stray threads. This reduces snagging. Once done, flip the hoop so the stabilizer faces you and locate a corner with larger perforations. You want to gently lift that corner, then peel back at a shallow angle. This minimizes stress on stitches. Keep the fabric taut with one hand while you pull with the other, and use short, controlled strokes. This helps prevent long tears and keeps embroidery edges crisp. Now you move into the detailed work. Remove the stabilizer in small sections rather than one big strip, because that reduces pull on the embroidery. Once a section is loose, stretch the stabilizer sideways. This causes it to split along perforations and releases from under stitches. If you hit areas that resist, stop and use micro scissors to cut tiny connecting threads near the stitching. This prevents pulling. Keep checking the underside. Once fibers stop resisting, you're nearly done. Finish by removing any lingering bits. Use a soft brush or lint roller, and if adhesive residue remains, gently dab with a barely damp cloth. Always test on a scrap first. Make sure to let the area dry completely before pressing. Use a pressing cloth to avoid crushing stitches. If embroidery puckers or distorts, don't force more pulling. Rehoop the piece and add a temporary stabilizer, then restitch only the affected area, which restores shape without further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.